Alfonso Moreno here from Center for Get Online Training Academy. In this video, I'm going to take a look at light crude oil futures analysis, long-term analysis. So stay until the end of the video to learn why the light crude oil is rallying as expected. Okay, I'm using supply and demand and price action for my analysis. As you already know, my name is Alfonso Moreno from the Center for Get Online Training Academy. So here in the middle of the screen, you can see the watermark CL1M. This is CL Light Crude Oil Futures on the monthly time frame. So I'm going to start with the monthly time frame. This is a strong imbalance here. As mentioned in previous videos, we've got a very strong rally made of very large candlesticks. And then you suddenly have this large bearish pink candle that happened during March 2022. So here, like the Ukraine invasion happened, Russia attacked Ukraine, and here price rallied. Everybody thought that the oil prices were going to go to very high prices, to infinity and beyond, but it didn't happen. Instead, crude oil dropped 40% or more. I think it was like 40 something, okay? While crude oil prices in the petrol stations were like super expensive. Gasoline, diesel were like, wow, super expensive. And then crude oil was dropping like a rock. It was insane, okay? So now, as expected, crude oil futures, CL, dropped to that demand level over there. And if you are unaware of this price action on the bigger time frames of that demand level, as you can see, then you will miss lots and lots of trading opportunities using intraday and short-term and even swing light crude oil strategies. And obviously, when these large time frame demand levels take control, many other oil and gas stocks will start rallying, like ExxonMobil, BP, British Petroleum, like Chevron, Phillips 66, and Marathon Oil, and so many others. And they have been doing that for a long time, including Hess Corporation and others, which I have already analyzed. So right now, it is rallying as expected. So we should be like very cautious because we have a very strong impulse on the monthly time frame that started like at the end of last year, and now crude oil reached that impulse. So going long right now, it's a little bit aggressive because if this replicates even half of it, the smaller time frames will be losses, okay? But still, you can use indicators and oscillators to trade intraday on this particular futures contract, okay? If we take a look at the weekly time frame, we're going to see similar imbalances on the weekly time frame. We've got the monthly like coming from the left, okay, and then we have like continuous reactions, okay? And now, as you can see, if I zoom in here, you're gonna see that we have these over there in control, okay? And when that happened, this is what happened. So it's a little bit aggressive. So buy now, it could play out, but it's a little bit tricky to buy now if we know that we have that strong impulse over there that could drive crude oil prices even lower to here or even there. From there, we could expect another reaction, okay? So this is like a long-term swing type of analysis for crude oil futures. We have a long bias. Hundreds of oil and gas stocks in the exploration industry, marketing, drilling are rallying, breaking all-time highs, including Chevron and ExxonMobil broke all-time highs recently, creating a strong imbalance, which I will analyze in another video. I have already done, so you will be able to watch it on my YouTube channel. So this is what it is. I mean, if you are unaware of these impulses and imbalances and this strong price action, and you ignore or disregard the fact that we are expecting this, then probably you are going to be like having unnecessary losses because you are unaware of what's going on in the bigger picture. And we should know what's going on in the bigger picture so we can take advantage of smaller time frames, and we can hold longer our short-term long positions because the bigger time frame picture helps price to move in the direction you expect even longer and faster probably. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and like it, so I can know what you like, what you don't like, and it helps me record other similar videos to help you understand supply and demand, price action in the markets and how it is manipulated. Have a great day.